Let us see question number 7 now. So in this first one, the line joining the points 2, 1 and 5, -8 is trisected at the points P and Q. The point P lies on the line 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Find the value of k. So let me draw a diagram and I will explain this. So these are the, let it be A, B. A is 2, 1 and take the B is 5, -8 is trisected the point P and Q. So if you take the diagram for this, take one straight line. Two points and one point is trisected at the point P. So for example, this line is passing at the point P and it is A, B. So A is a 2, 1 is given and B is given, that is 5, -8, right? These two are given, is trisected. So that is in the ratio 1:2, 1 and 2. 1:2 you should take, and one more point is Q. These three are equal. So A to P and P to Q, Q to B same. That's why AP and PB is 1:2 ratio. Right? We need to find out the K value. Let us take the first and find out the value of the P. So as per the question, P divides the line joining 2, 1. So this P divides the line joining 2, 1 and one more point is 5, -8 in the ratio 1:2. Okay, that is given. Trisected, so we should take 1:2 in the ratio. So 1:2. Then if you apply the point formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, that is the formula you will apply. So mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m is to n is the ratio here. Okay. This is x1 y1, x2 y2 and it is 1:2 ratio, that is m is to n. So if you apply this, you will get finally 5 plus 4 by 1 plus 2, this time multiplied, and minus 8 plus 2 by 1 plus 2. So that is 3, -2 if you simplify, because 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3 and this minus 2. And condition is P lies on the line, that is 2x minus y plus k. This is the point P. P lies on 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. So this equation line that satisfies that point 3, -2. So by satisfying, if you take this by satisfying this, so 2 into x value is 3 minus y value is -2 plus k is equal to 0. From this 2 3s are 6 plus 2 plus k is equal to 0. 8 plus k is equal to 0. From this k is equals to -8. Right? K value is -8. Just you can use this only one formula, that intersection formula you applied in this. And see next question in this same 7th. This is from probability. On the disc shown alongside, player spins the arrow twice. So numbers are printed 1 to 6, equal ratio. So fraction x by y is formed, where x is the number of sector where arrow stops after the first spin and y is the number of sectors where arrow stops after the second spin. 2 spins. On every spin, each of the numbered sector has the equal probability, because equal area it is. When arrow stops, what is the probability of the fraction? X by y is greater than 1. So let us find out the sample space for this. So numbers are from 1 to 6. So first time 1 to 6, second time also 1 to 6. Since the arrow can stops in any of the 6 sectors, 1 to 6 first, right? Then for that, then sample space we can take. So 1, 1. So first time 1, second time also 1 is possible. Whereas 1, 2 and 1, 3. So these are the possibilities. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. right? Similarly 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, we can write all this. So 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6, and first chance is 3, again 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, so 3 4, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6, all total 36 will come. So 4 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. These are the possibilities. So 5 1 and 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. And finally the last is 6. So again 6 1, 6 2. So 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 6. So 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. So these are the sample space. Then n of s is equals to 36, right? But from this given condition is, that is x by y is greater than 1. X by y is greater than 1 means x is greater than y. So first number should be greater than second number. That means favorable cases from this. X is greater than y if you observe. So here is 2 comma 1. So 2 is greater than 1. We should take this. And 3 comma 1. 3 is greater than 1. 3 comma 2. So 3 is greater than 2. These cases only we should take. Now from this only the favorable cases. So favorable outcomes or favorable cases are, that is take E. Now from this 2 comma 1, right? Again 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, because x is greater than y, and with 4 1, 4 2 and 4 3. Similarly 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4. So it's 6 1, 6 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4 and 6 comma 5. These are the x is greater than y. These are total, if you count, there are 15. So n of E is equals to 15. Then required probability is, therefore, so required probability, that is equals to n of E by n of S. So sample space, that is 15 by 36. Can you use 3 table, you can cancel. So 5 by 12, right? This is the required probability. As per this question, that is x is greater than y, or x by y is greater than 1. Right? You take the sample space and find out the favorable cases and find out the probability. And next one in this, this is the applications of trigonometry. You see this, the angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points, a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower, and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Find the height of the tower. So both angles are complementary. Means sum of the angles are 90. Then the two angles are complementary. Let me draw a diagram and I'll explain this. So in this 7th C, both angles are complementary. So we can take diagram first. So one is the baseline, two angles for the height of the tower. So from here is one angle, and from one more point is the angle we can take. Let's take ABCD. This A, B, C and D. One is given total 9 meters, and from here is 4 meters. Okay, from this point. Now if it is take one angle is theta and one more is 90 minus theta, because sum of the angle is 90, right? We need to find out. So let us D and C the 2 points. Then DB is given is 9 meters and CB is 4 meters. So according to question, angles elevations are complementary. So these two are, the one is theta and one is 90 minus theta, right? Now height of the tower is AB. So let height of tower, that is equals to AB. Let's take two triangles. So from triangle ABC we'll take first. So from triangle ABC, tan theta. Tan is equals to opposite by adjacent. That is AB by BC. Right. So BC is the 4. Then AB is equals to 4 tan theta. Right. Let be equation 1. Because AB is take cross multiplication. BC value is 4. We can take other side. And from one more triangle, that is ABD. We should take right angle triangle. So in triangle ABD, in this angle tan 90 minus theta. Opposite is AB, adjacent is BD. So B to D is 9 meters. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That is equals to AB by this is 9. So from this both, AB is equals to 9 cot theta. Let be equation 2. So we will multiply these two equations. So first one into second. So that implies AB into AB square 4 tan theta into 9 cot theta. You know tan into cot is 1. Okay, 4 9s are 36. Tan into cot is 1. 36 1s are 36. That we can write 6 square. That is AB square. So therefore AB is equals to 6 meters. That is the height of the tower. So therefore height of the tower is 6 meters we can take from this. Because AB is the height of the tower, right? Therefore height of tower is equals to 6 meters. So you can find out simple. If you draw a diagram carefully, you can from the question you can do easily. Now this is 7th one. Let us see the next question now.